Smart Finance Moves. Insight from a CS and IP. Episode 3. Key Terms and Basics of Mutual Funds. Introduction. Welcome back to Mastering Mutual Funds. In this episode, we'll cover essential key terms and fundamental concepts related to mutual funds. Understanding these terms is crucial for navigating the investment landscape and making informed decisions. By the end of this episode, you will have a clear understanding of key mutual fund terminology and basic principles, significantly enhancing your investment literacy. This knowledge will empower you to make confident decisions as you navigate your investment journey. How mutual funds work. Mutual funds pool together money from various investors to create a large capital base. Professional fund managers then invest this pooled money in a diverse portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other securities based on the fund's investment objective. This diversified approach helps reduce risk and offers investors the potential for better returns compared to investing alone. Common mutual fund terms. NAV, net asset value. NAV represents the price per share of the mutual fund on any given day. It's calculated by dividing the total value of the fund's assets minus its liabilities by the number of outstanding shares. This number is updated daily and reflects the fund's current value. AUM, assets under management. AUM is the total market value of all the assets managed by the mutual fund. It indicates the fund's size and popularity among investors. A higher AUM often suggests investor confidence, but doesn't inherently mean better performance. SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. A SIP is a disciplined way to invest in mutual funds by contributing a fixed sum regularly, such as monthly. This approach helps to average the purchase cost over time, making it easier to invest without worrying about market timing. Exit load. This is a fee charged when you sell your units from the fund before a specific duration. Exit loads are designed to discourage short-term trading and generally apply to investments held for less than a defined period. Thank you for tuning in to Episode 3 of Mastering Mutual Funds, Key Terms and Basics of Mutual Funds. Today we introduced essential terminology and fundamental concepts related to mutual funds, including NAV, AUM, SIP, and exit loads. Understanding these terms is crucial for navigating the investment landscape effectively and making informed decisions. If you found this video helpful and want to continue enhancing your investment knowledge, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Stay tuned for our next episode. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.